Welcome to Math Made Easy with Frida. Today we will be solving square root. In this video, we will be practicing how to find square roots of numbers. So let's get started. Here we have our number 225. The best way to find the square root of a number is to get its factors. Let's get the factors of 225, the prime factors. First of all, I see 5, which goes here 45 times, and 5 again goes here 9 times, and 3 and 3. Always try to get the prime factors. So 225 is actually equal to 5 squared times 3 squared. And when you have them in pairs like this, it'll be so much easier to find the square root of 225 will be equal to 5 into 3, which is 15, because the square will cancel out with the 2, because we're actually dividing this by 2 because this is a square root. Let's take another example to make things easier. We have the number 256. Let's write out all the factors of 256. It's a long one. Okay, 2 goes here, 1, 2, 8. 2 goes here, 64. 2 goes here, 32. 2, 16. 2, 8. 2, 4, and 2, and 2. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 256 is equal to 2 to the power of 8. So to find the square root of 256 will be equal to 2 to the power of 8. Basically, divide by 2. This would be equal to 2 to the power of 4, which is equal to 16. The first step is find the factors, find pairs, and divide the exponent by 2. Let's check on the number 38. Factors of 38, I would start with 2 and 19, and that's it. 19 is a prime number. So I can't go further. So square root of 38, I would just simplify it as 2 into 19, the square root of 2 into 19. Next, square root of 40. Let's write the factors of 40. 2, 20, 2, 10, 2, and 5. Here we notice we have 2 to the power of 3 into 5. We need only 2 squared to come out, so we'll have 2 squared into 2 into 5. We put this together and we have 2 squared into 10. So the square root of 40, so these are the factors of 40. The square root of 40, the square root of 40 would be, I find only one pair, which is 2 outside, and 10 remains under the root sign, 2 root 10. Let's solve some more. These were just 4 sums, some more, because practice makes you perfect. Let's practice this together. Square root of 60. We just did 40. Let's see, we can do 60 now. We write the factors of 60. 2, 30. 2 goes here 15 times. And if you want to go on, 3 and 5. This is not a pair, so we can keep it together. So 60 is equal to 2 squared into 15. So the square root of 60 will be only 2 comes out and 15 remains under the radical sign, and that's your answer. Now when we have exponents like x to the power of 4, what's the square root of x to the power of 4? X to the power of 4 is actually equal to x squared into x squared. It's the square root of x squared into x squared, and we take only that one out. So we have x squared is your answer. Now here we have x to the power of 5. Let's group it into 2's. That's x squared into x squared into x. Let's find the square root. We get x into x and the square root of x, which will be x squared and root x. So since we've done this far, x to the power of 6 would be easy to find, because x to the power of 6, x squared into x squared into x squared, the square root of that will be equal to x into x into x, which will be x cubed. So that's how we solve square roots. Very simple. The more you practice, and the better you get at it. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want to practice every day, please subscribe to my channel as I post every day. Till next time, have a nice day.